Hello, I'm Marcus Boston. Quick video today, and we're going to talk about when your baby has a brain injury at birth and you want to have a birth injury investigation done, or you want someone to take a look at everything, but you know that it's going to need medical experts and you don't have money to put down for any medical experts. What do you do? The reason why I'm talking with you about this is because when I talk with families and we're going through everything, a lot of times this question comes up. And I know there are probably families out there that won't reach out for help because they are concerned about, well, do I have to put any money down to be able to get these people to look at this, or to get a doctor, if they need experts, to be able to take a look at everything? And so I want to help you understand how we do things like this. Now, I want to also make sure that you understand that how we do it may not be how all other law firms handle this situation. So I'm advising you to make sure that you understand how each individual attorney, if you're going to contact multiple attorneys, you need to make sure that you understand how each attorney handles this situation of, money possibly down to be able to get experts to review everything. So let me give you pretty much a basic overview of why medical experts and things of that nature, why they're needed. Specifically here in Maryland, when we're talking about a birth injury or birth trauma case, these cases fall under what we call medical malpractice. And so for medical malpractice here, we have to have medical experts who will give opinions as to not only the standard of care, whether there was a deviation from that standard of care, and whether that deviation is what caused the injury or the harm. So we have to have these individuals. And if you don't have medical experts to support the case, then more likely you're not going to be successful. And so how we do this is when we're getting started with everything, to take a look at what's happening with the case or be able to give an opinion. We're not going to charge you any money up front to be able to get started on things. We're just not going to do that because, like I said, we have to be able to do an investigation and to see if the case has merits anyway before we can move into getting to court. So for us, we are not going to make you pay us a down payment before we can get experts or before we can review everything. So if that is something that you're worried about in regards to my firm, in regards to how we do things, that's not an issue. So don't let that be something that prevents you from at least reaching out and at least talking to us about what's going on. All right, so I just want to quickly talk with you about that today because this is a serious issue, and I know that maybe other law firms are doing it a different way, or maybe people are getting other information in regards to that. But as it pertains to my firm and how we do things, we're not going to tell you, okay, to go ahead and put some money down before we can look at everything. If you have more questions, or if you would like to speak with me further, there is a telephone number down below. And what I invite you to do is go ahead and pick up the phone and call me. I speak with families all the time about these issues: HIE, hypoxic ischemic encephalopathy, meconium aspiration syndrome, cerebral palsy, shoulder dystocia, brachial plexus injuries, a whole host of things. This is what we do, and I'll be happy to take some time and listen to your story. One more thing before I get out of here today, I want to let you know that I practice law here in the state of Maryland. And because this video is on the internet, sometimes we have individuals who will call us or contact us and they're not in Maryland. Just understand, if this is something that we think we can assist you with, or we think we can help you with, that we have to use local counsel or co-counsel. In other words, an attorney in your state, which we will take care of and we will help you with. We have to use local counsel or co-counsel. So I just want to make sure that you understand that aspect of things. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys practicing law here in the state of Maryland at Boston Law Group LLC. And we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.